efficient air purifier made by Easy Home that is available in Aldi these days. So it's available for 70 quid. It has dual filters, one EPA filter as well as activated carbon filter and ion function. That's the two things that they highlight on their box: ion function and air quality sensor. It has a 30-watt power output, also a 1.6 meter cable. If you look at the box here, it has an EPA filter, as I mentioned before, air quality sensor with LED ring lights at the base of the unit here, so the LED will illuminate green, yellow, and red based on air quality. It states here. Also, the ion function reduces particles efficiently. It also has a timer with automatic shut off. That would be quite handy. And you can set it for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours for short-term operation. As well as fan speed can be adjusted as well. Low, high, or sleep. That would be very quiet. Because one concern with these air purifiers is that they can be noisy at times. So if you want to sleep and get clean air, that would be the setting for you. There's also a filter change indicator. So let's just open right up. First of all, the dimensions would be 21 into 31.5 centimeters, and it can filter out pollen, dust, smoke at 110 cubic meters per hour. I believe that would be at its highest setting. So let's open it up. I've just broken the seal already. So there's a user manual in it. Shows the warranty card, 2 stickers, general information. That would be just the basic start guide, setting up an assembly. So I don't think it would be maintenance and cleaning care. So I don't think that it should be very complicated. There's product code in there. So I think you have to send this to get it registered for the warranty, and that would be it has a 3 years manufacturer's warranty. So let's open it up. And there is nothing, empty. So we'll just leave it there. Put it put the documentation in there. It's a 1.6 meters cable, so you can move it around. So very clean. It's bigger than I expected. Clean, round, with the label on it with the serial number, and there is a warning tag here. It says the filter integrated in the casing is packaged in a plastic bag to protect it from transport damage, so please remove it before using the appliance. That we will do. So turn it face down. It says lock and unlock. that's the filter here. And it's sealed, as you can see. Just open it up. So that is where the magic happens. As you can see, there's a fan inside, but this is the important bit, the filter. And I don't know how long will it would be needed to change it, how often you need it, but I bet that this would be based on the use. Obviously, the more dusty the environment, turn it on. There's no remote control that is available with common air purifiers, but the thing is, I believe this is one of the cheapest ones on the market. So it's on the auto mode at the moment. Sleep, low, high, and the light is green. I can feel the air. You can set a timer. I don't know what this is for. That's the ionizer, I believe. And leave it to on. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, and 8 hours. We'll leave it to auto mode for the time being, and let's test it. The air purifier, the unit is set at auto mode, and I can feel the fan is blowing a little bit of air. Very quiet, I can't hear it, and the green LED indicates that the quality of air is very good. So let's put it to test and blow some smoke into it. So as I've blown some smoke, it has rightfully detected that the air quality is very bad, and the LED has shifted to red. So it's working, and after a bit of use I can give you an update of how it works and what does it really remove the odors and or not. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and like it. Thank you very much, and share it as well. Thank you very much. See you next time.